Hello, tech aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of Secura web accounting software, where numbers meet innovation. Have you ever wondered how businesses keep their financial records in check? Well, wonder no more. Secura Web is here to revolutionize your accounting game. Let's talk features, my friends. Buckle up as we explore the gems hidden within Secura Web's digital vault. Features of Secura Web accounting software. 1. Data backup on mail. You can set your data backup to auto-email so that whenever we close or start the software, it is automatically emailed to you, and your data is never deleted, and the backup is complete. It remains safe, and the data backup of the company in which you work will be automatically sent to your email. 2. QR code. A QR code system in which you can include your shop's QR code on your bill, allowing customers to scan it and pay you. And on scanning, the amount will be the same as the bill amount. 3. Auto WhatsApp app. This allows you to download a WhatsApp add-on. On this, as soon as the bill is generated, the customer can be sent to WhatsApp automatically. And you can also WhatsApp the invoice or any detail automatically. You can also WhatsApp all the customers at once so that you can promote your shop. 4. Bank reconciliation. With the help of this option, you can match the entries made in your software and the payment received in the bank so that no payment is missed. Its complete account remains updated in our software, and any kind of expense is also recorded in the bank, or that there is no suspended payment that we have done in our software. 5. CRM. In this, you can enter the complete data of your customer, including when to call that customer or when that customer has a problem. You can set the date as per your requirements, when to get the work done, and when to follow up with them, whether it is for an inquiry, a service, or to buy some new goods. 6. Secura Web Cloud. If you have 2 or 3 shops and want to run them together in your software, then this is a very good solution. In this way, you can run your software through the cloud and access it simultaneously from both the go-down and shop locations. 7. GST report. Using this, you can get all the GST reports so that your GST return can be filed on time and you do not have to pay late fees. Reports like GSTR1, 3B, GSTR2, Billwise GST report, HSN summary, and GST summary 8. 8-item import and export. In this, you can export and import the item as per your requirements with stock, closing stock, opening stock with or without stock, and you can also update your price list through Excel. 9. Sale and purchase type. With the help of this option, you can create types of sales and purchases. Let's say I want to create a sale type that is not taxed, and a tailpipe that is taxed. Similarly, you can estimate sales. You can also create and confuse composition cell types. 10. Language. This software supports all languages. You can use this software in any language, and can also print your heart in the same language, be it Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, or English. This software can be used using any language. Remember, Secura Web isn't just software. It's your financial ally. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise juggernaut, these features empower you to conquer your accounting challenges.